Mum's taxi here, ladies. What do you reckon?
Hottest one in town. Hottest one, yeah.
Rock it up. Enjoy your Sunday. G'day, mate. How you going? Good to see you representing a bit of old school goodness here with the HQ Stato.
Yeah, mate, I feel a bit lost out here, yeah.
Don't worry, I got the old school sitting up there too. It's all good.
Yeah,
we need a few more. Represent.
That's my son in front of me, so he talked me into it.
Oh, good work. I hope you have a great night.
Thank you, mate.
Mate, the Audi's pretty good, but the beard looks pretty awesome.
You like that? Hey?
Goes alright.
Bloody oath it does, mate. No?
Coastal cut vinyl, mate, so people can come and grab a custom sticker tonight.
Of course, we do custom stickers. They're on order though, so we send them out free of charge, anything that's custom ordered tonight. Otherwise we've got all the ones that we've got on there, all the funny memes and everything everyone loves to laugh at on the cars. Yeah.
No, perfect, mate. And you come for a drive up for this?
Yeah, it came from drive up from just north of Sydney actually. So it took us 14 hours. Due to the fires, we got stopped for about 3 hours, but fires did everything they could. They let us through, which is great.
Well worth it. I believe these guys know how to put on a show, eh?
Oh, they definitely do. Definitely do, yeah.
Awesome. Thanks very much.
Thanks, guys.
Hey bro, how you going? Pretty mad looking 350, mate. You're all cruising in here together?
Just cruising as a group, yeah.
Enjoy your Sunday, mate. Boosted up, guys. How you going? How's Sunday Sesh?
Looking pretty good.
Finally getting in?
Finally. Yeah, we went around the front and they're like, oh yeah, you can go in there. No, you have to go around the back.
Oh no. All right, we'll have fun. Hey guys, how we going? Ready for a bit of Sunday Sesh?
Yeah.
We've got the 350s all lined up. You all in together?
Yeah, we came from my house, all cruised down here. It's good.
Awesome. Hope you have a great day.
G'day Dave, how you going? We got the Ford Ranger here, a little bit of a different setup, bit of a drift ute.
Drift ute it is, Tyler. Yeah, it's started off as obviously a four-wheel drive, more of a tow car rather than a race car, but yeah, turned into a drift weapon.
So what have you got running under the bonnet there?
So we've got a supercharged LSA engine running 600 rear wheel horsepower.
Oh, there you go. So it definitely turns the tyres pretty easily then?
Yeah, very, very easily. Took a lot to get used to. There's a lot of power, there's a lot of torque there. So yeah, mate, so much fun.
And tell us a little bit about Gardner.
So Gardner Cars started back in 1985 from my granddad. My dad had to go, he's actually still working with us. And then my turn, we do up any kind of car, that's our passion. At the moment we're doing four-wheel drives, that's how this came about. And you know, just passion with doing up cars, lowering them, flares, we just love it, man. So.
And what started that passion for you?
Well, it's in my genes, I suppose. Passed down from my dad. He's mad into it, and yeah, same thing as me.
Perfect. And what was your first car?
I had I think it was like a 1980s Honda Civic, I think.
There you go. So started out with the JDM, now you've ended up in the Ford. So.
Yeah, I still love the JDM though. My daily's an 81 Corolla, so still love the old
there you go. Awesome. Well, thanks for having a chat, Dave.
Yeah.
You too. Thank you very much. So have a great night.
Good on you, mate. Cheers.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Paid to plot in my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot. In the yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting with the old well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Got 5 on it.
G'day Sean, how you going?
Yeah, really good, mate. Really having a great night out here, so.
I've pulled you up here because what is this?
It's a 1988 Daihatsu Mira walkthrough van. So over in Japan, obviously you've got the K-car regulations and that sort of thing, and they always said how wide and like how long they could be and the motor size, but they never really set a regulation on how tall they could be. So they started making delivery vans as far, way back to meet K regulations. People couldn't garage them somewhere, basically. So yeah, it's a bit different.
Now, how long have you had it?
I've had it at around about 5 years.
Yep.
I was the first owner in Australia, so I actually won it in a raffle from a company called Iron Chef Imports. They had it over in Japan, and for their anniversary of being in business, they put a raffle out, $50 a ticket, and my name got drawn, so I was lucky enough to get them to ship it over to Australia for me, and just had to pay rego and a few little bits of maintenance ever since, so it's been really good. So I bought 2 tickets. So call it $100 plus rego, so $500. So
Wow, you scored a good deal then.
yeah, definitely got a good deal for one of 3 as far as I know in the country. So pretty rare thing.
Obviously a K car, so 660, is that what they are?
Not even. So this is a 550cc 3-cylinder with a 4-speed manual box behind it. So as you can imagine, it's a bit of a mission getting it some places. Even driving it up to Brizzy's a bit of a stretch sometimes, but try and get out there and really get it out to as many events as I can. So yeah, it's a bit of fun and share it with people. So.
And is this the only car you've got?
No, I've also got a 2011 STI sedan. So if I need to go somewhere and get there quick, I'll take that. And if I'm going to go somewhere and need to go slow, I'll take this and enjoy the trip.
And where did your passion for cars start?
I grew up around cars. My old man's been a mechanic for about 40 plus years down in Sydney and that. And growing up around his cars and hot rods and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I go way back, and all my friends end up being up in cars from one reason or another. And it's sort of the thing that keeps the glue of all my friends together, really. So yeah, we get out there, we go and have fun with our cars, and that's what it's all about. So
Yeah, that's awesome. And my favourite question: what was your first car?
My first car was a Suzuki Swift. So I've definitely upgraded from the Swift up to the Subi and this, so definitely going in the right direction, that's for sure.
Well, it's very awesome. It's very unique, and thanks for bringing it out to show us.
Anytime, man. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. G'day Anthony, we dragged you on camera, mate. We've got to have a chat about this. It's very, very unique.
Yes, very unique.
Of course. So, what do we got running under there?
So it's got a twin turbo flat 6 out of a SVX. So yeah, it makes pretty decent power. Was NA, but now I put 2 turbos on it, so it goes all right now.
So, what was the inspiration behind doing something like this? Just something unique or something?
Yeah, me and my cousin talked about it about 10 years ago. So it was just something, had a right opportunity, the right time with the business. So then, yeah, decided to build this monster and unleash it on the street.
So still got the all-wheel drive behind it as well?
Yeah, still all-wheel drive, but upgraded the 5-speed that they came out originally with a 6-speed in it, so just to hold the power. And yeah, no, it goes good.
So do you know how much power it's making now?
Currently makes just shy of 500 horsepower on about 15 odd pound.
I can imagine it'd be all the torque that's behind it. So
oh yeah, lots of torque. We had to throw the torque down just to make it the gearbox hold. So.
Yeah. And you got a bit of goodness going on in the back. What's going on back there?
Yeah, got the radiator in the back. It was very hard to fit it in the front with all how big the engine was. So decided we'll put it in the boot and see how it ran. It runs perfect. So
awesome. And you built this all yourself as well?
Yeah, did it all ourselves. So just got friends do all the fabrication and a few contacts. So yeah, no, it was all done by us. So it was good.
Awesome. And what's the passion behind cars for yourself?
For myself, it's more so just like an expression of myself. That's all it is. Whenever you're feeling down and stuff, go to work on the car, go have some fun, just takes your mind off everything. So it's good.
Awesome. And my favourite question, what was your first car?
First car, Toyota Corolla.
There you go. Well, thanks for having a chat to us, and make sure you get out there. If you've got a Subaru on the coast, go and check out JRM Auto Garage, guys. It's an awesome workshop. Check it out. Thanks, Anthony.
Thank you.
Eventful drive up, the bushfires, my little Gold 180 got defected, so couldn't drive that up. One of the other cars came with us actually had overheating issues. So I think it's about 12 hours to come from where we live in Sydney. All up, we spent just under 21 hours on the road. So pretty stretched up. But we love coming to the Gold Coast. There's a good variety of cars, healthy bunch of people. It's always good fun, and that's what we do it for. Like for us, it's about giving the car people an avenue to get together and enjoy what we all like, cars. Unfortunate, we have some people that come along and do the dumb shit, and as we saw today, the police came through, and I wouldn't stop them coming back again, because the rules. We're all here to abide by the rules. There's no point having to go in a car park. Like, what's the use? You don't do anything. You just cause nuisance for everyone else, and it is what it is, kind of thing. So definitely. We look forward to coming back as well. Gold Coast is like our second home, man. It's out of Sydney, so definitely we'll be looking at coming back. I don't know how soon, but yeah.
And how many cars do you reckon you had here tonight?
To be honest, I didn't count, so I just spent the whole day parking cars up. I had no idea. Like, this area was set up to hold, I think, 100 VIP cars, so we did that quite well. We packed out the back area down there. I'm pretty sure we lost a couple of cars on the way because of the queue. Unfortunately, something's out of our control. The queue's out of control. But thanks to everyone for holding out, waiting around, and giving us the opportunity to show you what we do inside. But yeah, number of cars. I'll find out later, I guess.
Well, and thanks to you guys at Blacklist Events for putting on such an awesome night.
Really appreciate it. You guys have been great. Thanks for coming out. Shout out to everyone that's been great today. And if you haven't been great today, well, unlucky, you have to leave. You missed out. Thank you.
Cheers. Well, what did you think, Dave? Sunday Sesh.
Mate, a lot of cars in here, wasn't there? And outside, everywhere.
I reckon, I did a walk out there after they'd packed it up. I reckon at least 1,000, close to it, if not.
Yeah, definitely. Just keep rolling through. There's still people coming in. There's people going. It's still all happening.
Yeah, and a bit of everything.
Yeah, I think we got a couple of cool interviews tonight. Had a chat. Good to see you back on the microphone, mate.
Yeah, I've been hiding.
Nah, it's good, mate. It's good. Maybe I lost a bit of my voice anyway. I needed a break. Too many lemon squashes on the Christmas party this weekend. But no, it's all good, mate. That's probably all I got to say. You got anything else?
Well, if you guys like the video and you want to see more, make sure you get down below, hit subscribe, hit like as well. That's really important. Give the thumbs up. What else, Dave?
I don't know. Can they still hear us? It's getting a bit loud in here. It is. Underground. I love it.
Well, maybe they should jump on the website.
Get on the website, that's right. Jump on overtakinglane.com.au, do your thing, check it out, check out the events page. You'll find out all this stuff, when it's happening, where we're going to be. Come and say good day. Get in the video.
Yeah, do it. We'll see you in the next one.
Be seen in the car scene. Stay in the right lane.